The cost of your life weighs more than the facts. The questions you're asking, they locked in a casket. Metaphysical misconceptions and irrational answers have got this whole world dancing. There's something wrong when the DJ's sick of those requested songs. The movement moves on, move along. You've seen too much disgust, lust, a pocket full of trust and a blade faded rust. The carbon fibers seem to burn through the crust. What goes up must come down. Bodies on the ground, where the fuck you running now? When the gun goes kaplow, fractures the fragments of your fragile imagination. Steadily pacing, waiting in the basement. Devastation comes on a locomotive from Satan. Don't let him catch you praying. Picture a man laying in the street, bleeding out of the hole from which he speaks. He was in prison, so I heard nothing major, a minor misdemeanor. His big mouth got him snuffed by a heater on release date. They met him at the gate. I guess Lady of Luck was late. So what the fuck is fate when you run your face? They say dreams are just a glimpse of death. He lays on the concrete and takes a breath, closes his eyes and holds them tight. Remember the wind, sun, moon, and the sky.